a great day here at Davis Chevrolet in Claresholm, Alberta. Today we're looking at unit 152261. This is a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. On it we have 20-inch polished aluminum wheels here. Going around the back here, you can see it has the rear backup sensors on the bumper. That's an easy lift and lower tailgate. In it we have the 5.3 V8 engine at 355 horsepower. That's mated with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Inside we have a cocoa dune leather interior. 62,341 kilometers. The price on this one is $40,995. Here's a look now at that cocoa dune leather interior. Really nice colors. It is a certified pre-owned unit, so it comes with the remainder of the factory warranty. The seats themselves are power adjustable, both the passenger and the driver's seat. They are heated and cooled. The driver's seat has memory for 2 different drivers. Here we have your powered windows, locks, and mirrors. It also has a Bose upgraded sound system. This one comes with an integrated trailer brake controller. Here are the 4x4 controls and the light controls. Here's a look now at the gauges and the driver information center. The driver information center is full of useful information about the vehicle. This is a leather wrapped and heated steering wheel. The steering wheel has steering wheel mounted controls for the cruise control, as well as the heated steering wheel and your collision warning system on the left hand side. And on the right hand side are the controls for the driver information center and your Bluetooth telephone. Here are the buttons for the heated and cooled seats. The radio has an 8-inch touchscreen display. It has AM, FM, XM satellite radio, as well as CD, auxiliary, Bluetooth connectivity as well. Here we have dual zone climate control. Here are the toggles and switches for your power adjustable pedals, your traction control, box lighting, your ultrasonic parking assist, and your lane departure warning. Below that you can see some power options here. Power options include 3 USB on the left, 2 12 volts in the middle, and 1 standard 110 volt on the right. In the armrest storage you can see 2 more USBs there, the auxiliary input, and another 12 volt power as well. Above my head are the controls for the indoor lights, the power sliding rear window there, and then the universal home remote for the garage at home. Once again, this has been unit 152261, the 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. We're selling this one at Davis Chevrolet in Claresholm, Alberta for $40,995. So come down and check it out today.